Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the RKIN AH 14 Pro air purifier. This has a HEPA 14 air filter. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user manual and a remote control. Going over some specs, this features a HEPA 14 air filter, UV disinfection, negative ion purification, silver and copper infused carbon layer, large cover area of up to 667 square feet, clean air delivery rate of 513.2 cubic meters per hour, particulate matter display, Wi-Fi and app integration, rated power of 50 watts. It weighs in at 12.8 pounds and it has a filter lifespan of 1500 to 2000 hours. Taking a look at the unit, it has a tall cylindrical form factor. You have a large display on the front along with the branding. The air inlet is all around on the bottom half, and the air outlet is on the top. You have the controls on the top, which are touch controls, and you can also use the app or remote. And on the back, you have the power cord. To access the filter, it's from the bottom. Just twist the cap to the unlock position, and then you can remove the filter as you can see here. And here's a look at the inside without the filter. Installing it is just a reverse operation. Insert the filter and put the cap back on and turn to the lock position. As mentioned earlier, this uses a HEPA 14 filter and you can see the various layers. HEPA 14 can absorb 99.995% of particles as opposed to a HEPA 13, which absorbs 99.95%. Taking some measurements, this has a height of about 23 inches and just under 12 inches for the width and depth. Looking at the controls, you have them on top. You have the timer, filter reset, the mode, power, speed, UV, and lock button. All these functions can be controlled via the app once paired or using the remote. In the app, you can see the particulate matter, humidity, filter life, adjust the speed, the modes, create a schedule, and toggle the general settings. And this is how it sounds like when you toggle the controls. You have the audible beep. Looking at the front display, you can see the readout when adjusting the speed, various modes, along with the humidity, temp, and particulate readings. When the UV feature is activated, you will see the icon as well. Now here's a look at the fan speed strength. I'll cycle through speed 1 all the way to speed 5. And finally, some decibel readings, so you get an idea of how loud it is in each of the settings. Here are my thoughts on the unit. Having used it for a few days, I was able to immediately notice the difference in air quality. It definitely made a difference and the air felt a lot cleaner. Perfect for a large room such as a living room, bedroom, or even a home office. I like the app integration and being able to control all the features. Also, the large display on the front is easy to read and can give you a quick insight on the various measurements with just a glance. The HEPA 14 filter along with the UV and ionizer makes this unit powerful. The price point is competitive with other brands out there. This is definitely something to look into if you're in the market for an air purifier. So that is my review of the RKIN AH14 Pro air purifier. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.